There were still a couple parts and pieces for the interior that still need to be primed, and the chassis as well, so those first got a bit of prep by removing all of the mold lines and the sprues, of course. Then I carefully applied a couple coats of primer before painting them in pretty much black or silver, and then moving on to detailing out the body a bit more. With all of the interior and chassis parts now painted in the black they needed to be, I still had it in the airbrush, so I figured I'd quickly mask up the body to paint some of the side skirts, the window trim, and also the panels in the front and rear bumpers. A couple other parts needed to be painted silver, so I quickly did that as well, and then could move on to flocking the interior with some Tamiya spray can as a base and a glue, just some black, and I put it on the interior on the parts that it needed to be, of course, masked some other parts like the center console off, and then quickly put the flocking on top of it. The interior didn't really need a lot more details, but some silver highlights were highly welcome. So I added a couple on the steering wheel, the dashboard, the door cards, and various other parts all around. To finish the detail painting off, there were of course also a couple parts and pieces that needed to be painted black. The taillights came molded clear, and they of course needed to be red, so I took out the permanent marker and made them red. The backing on the body itself needs to be painted, or at least be a bright silver or reflective surface. I decided to do it with some bare metal foil since it's a nice big surface and it lends itself really easily to just be applied with the bare metal foil, straight and simple. With pretty much the majority of the detailing done and also all the other painting, I could start a bit of assembly. Some decals were put in the interior as well, and then that could be put together too. With the interior done and no more parts needed on the inside of the body, I could squeeze, pull, and push the chassis, interior, and body together. The front lip came as a separate piece that needed to be put onto the chassis before it was all put together, so I quickly pulled it back apart, then added that lip in before screwing it all together with a couple screws. The final couple of clear parts for on the front could be glued in place, the mirrors could be put on, and this one is finished. Now I know it's not really a super detailed build, but that was not the point of the customer. It just had to look good from the outside. The inside didn't really matter, and the chassis didn't really matter either, and I pretty much achieved exactly what they wanted to. They're happy, and I will be showing you what they've done with it as soon as I can.